All right, guys, we got another round of Braille Olympics, or this is just pure Olympics?
This is BO, Braille Olympics.
2020 Olympic Challenge. We're starting out with some shorts. I think the first one is a race. So we're gonna see who can put their trucks on the fastest and then do a tray flip, right?
I feel like you're about to be in a boxing match or something.
Seriously?
Some boxing gloves.
Seriously.
Easy access to your wallet.
Who's playing? Just us three?
And Uzi.
Is this Germany?
No.
What is this?
It's USA.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Olympics, let's go.
Oh, yeah.
I haven't had an Olympics win yet.
You need to get it.
Yeah, I need to get it. Let's go then. We gotta roll. This is the Olympics. We have a schedule to keep.
Ready? Set. Go!
Pace yourself.
Oh no. Wait.
Don't Mario it.
I already Mario. Oh no. I lost.
Come on, guys, better move on! My sail is getting cold! Disqualified, he has Alan P. Cheater!
Say that again. I got 2 bolts.
Come on, get it together!
I'm behind or what?
Michael, hurry up! We're out of time! Schedule! You need to show me once you get both trucks on before you can tray flip. You get that? I must confirm that the trucks are not wobbly. All 4 bolts are on, and then you can tray flip. You just drop the bolt, Daniel, get it together.
Come on, Germany.
Oh, this is delicious. I could have set up a new complete by now.
I want to see you do this next time.
Nigel, are you talking trash to the ref, huh?
Red card.
I will give you a red card.
Oh no.
All right, tray flip.
How did you?
Oh no! First play. Show me the bolts. Show me the bolts. 4-4. Good. Go. Oh, and we got the 2 slow pokes over here.
Yeah.
Only croutons. Oh.
These books, I hate these ones. All right, is mine good?
Show me all 4 bolts. I think I can hear the salt coming out.
I can't. There's nothing I can do. That's why I didn't want to take mine off, because these bolts are already messed up. Hey guys, how you doing? I'm over here chilling. There's one reason I lost. He has my shorts.
All right, y'all. Right here we have Braille skateboarding hurdles. You have to hippie jump the first one, ollie the second one, and then you go in that order. Hippie jump, ollie, hippie jump, ollie, hippie jump, ollie. If you hit one, you must redo that same one. You don't have to start all the way over because that would take too long. You start on that side. You touch the wall, go back, same order. Hippie jump, ollie. You got to touch that wall to complete your time. Fastest time wins. Is that clear?
Nigel's first.
All right, ready, set, go. Seconds, 60 milliseconds. That was quite nice.
I'm getting a wedge into this thing on.
All right, we have Uzi Walker up to the plate. Ready, set, go. $21.12. That was his time. 21:12. Ready, set, go.
That's where showmanship gets you, people.
26-25. Look at that, 21-12. 26-25, it has no correlation whatsoever.
18-6, the time to beat. Hold on.
Loosen up the shorts. All right, get the wedgie out.
Airflow up in there.
Ready, set, go. Hippie jump first.
Sorry.
I understand you're mad at the game, but you don't gotta take it out on the ref's nuts, man. That's a red card.
Can you put in a red card
Dude.
in my hand?
Rowan added a red card into his hand.
All right, rebate. You hit me in the nuts again. We're fighting in real life. All right, ready? Yeah. Set, go. Just all over it. Come on, Aaron. 25.14. He's still sitting at third. I can't believe that. Event number 3 is the longest manual. If you go all the way down to the end, down the bank and end at the loading dock where Carlos nose manied to last time, automatic like gold in that category. So you can have like a first tie. Let's do this. At that line.
Yep.
Go.
Momentum. I can jump up this.
Nigel, you next? Oh yeah! Well done. All right, Dan, you ready?
He blew it for the Daniels.
Aaron is up next.
I scraped, so I'm going there. We're doing like second. I was like, I'm going fast. I'm gonna run into that thing.
Where was it? About here.
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't matter. First and second.
We have one last event. How many heel flips can you do in 1 minute? We have a timer, we have a counter. Who will win? Daniel, you go first.
Yeah.
Everyone's goofy.
Set, go.
Oh yeah, I can't heel flip. This was rigged against me.
10 seconds! 3, 2, 1. That's time, and he finished with 2.
I don't think
Fell
I needed the counter
so
for that.
hard, dude.
The world record is 32.
Oh, he nailed that. He could do it. All right, Aaron. Ready, set, go.
for like a countdown. How many to do?
6.
Whoa! Wow. Yeah, what's all this?
Oh yeah, I forgot nobody saw that.
Nigel's next. Are you ready?
Yes.
Set. Go.
Neen Williams, here we go.
That's time. 15.
Wow.
Look at that, dude. Did you see what his heel flips look like? And Carlos is last. Carlos, is you ready to rumble? Ready. Set. Go. Off the world record still. Damn.
Wow.
That was good too.
Yeah.
All right. We have a tie for first place.
Most tray flips down to 5.
Nigel and Carlos.
And 1 minute.
Yeah? You want that? You want that? Most tray flips down the 5 in 1 minute to tie break it. Whoever gets the most
How
wins.
about first one to miss?
We have a tie for first place for Nigel and Carlos. We have Aaron is third, Daniel's last. So these two are gonna do don't miss a tray flip down the 5 flip. Whoever misses it first loses.
Oh God, the pressure's on right now.
This was your
I
idea.
know it was. All right, well, here we go.
Definitely different than the game of skate approach.
Yeah.
I like.
Yeah.
And there it is. Carlos is the first place winner once again. Our bronze medal third place winner goes to Aaron Jacob Kyro. Congratulations. The second place silver medal goes to Nigel the Ryan Jones.
That's not my middle name.
And our hat trick 3 in a row champion is Carlos Pastrana Iglesias Lastra. Boo! Boo! Congratulations to our victors and for participation. Yeah, Daniel. Now Aaron, politely take us out of this video.
We hope you enjoyed this video. We had a lot of fun making this video. Click right here to watch all the other videos that are like this video. You'll have fun watching those like we had fun watching this. Click right here to learn how to skateboard so you can have fun and get prepared for the 2020 Olympics. Like, subscribe, leave that comment below.